Now we move on to the futures instrument. The futures instrument is usually done for securities like stocks, commodities, or bonds. Now you may ask then, what is the relevance of a futures contract? The futures contract is actually to protect producers and suppliers from price changes. Now, what does that mean then? Basically, this price changes protection makes the futures contract act as a risk management tool to protect the producers from falling prices and the suppliers from rising prices. Okay, so basically, as the name suggests, the futures is for the future. So for example, if the producer is producing vegetables and the suppliers, like for example your supermarkets like your Sainsbury's, like over here in UK, like if they are buying it from them, what the futures contract is then done to bind them into a contract for the future so that the producers are protected from falling prices and the suppliers are protected from increasing prices. Now let's go on live onto the charts to see how this would look like on a live chart. Now we are on the Dow Jones futures market. So now how do we actually choose this, the Dow Jones futures market? Now in MetaTrader, you have to click on this market watch, which is this icon here, and once you've got that, just right click on any of the symbols and you can then choose the futures category. Now let me just minimize this and show you right from the beginning. So whichever says that futures over here, or the FX futures over here as well, so just click on them and then you can see all the different futures underneath that, underneath the index futures. So the one I chose was US 30. Do remember there is an expiry date for the futures as well. This is September 2018. And once you've selected that, then it will appear here, and all you got to do is just drag and drop it into here, and it will then show you the chart for that particular market. Now once you have that, then you can then trade it. You can just click on trading, new order, put your relative prices in there, and you're ready to place your trade once you have done your necessary analysis and you know your entry, stop and target, and your risk management as well, which we'll be talking more in the education center. We do this live in our live trading evening sessions. If you see that, that will be great. Now that will just wrap up on the futures section over here on a live example. Just a quick one just to recap for you guys. Basically, futures, do remember that the price that you see over here is not the same as the market price. The futures price, the futures market has been designed to protect producers and suppliers, as we had spoken before, from fluctuating price changes, especially started from the agricultural industry to protect the farmers, who are the producers, and then to the suppliers, who then come out to be your supermarkets on the forefront. Okay, so that's me on the live market on the futures instruments of different markets. We trust you enjoyed our Traders Education Center tech video. To unlock the full tech modules for free, click on the link below and hit the subscribe button. Then go ahead to register with your contact details and create your unique username and password to enjoy the fully unlocked tech modules.